I am drawing a picture. Hold on, let me just swap that out. I am drawing a picture of a nice, beautiful summer morning. And as you may know, we need another color. We need some green for the grass, so we need green. We need green for the grass, and I am recording this on a beautiful autumn morning. It is not that beautiful, but at least, hold on, I just needed to erase that. As you may know, we are recording, and we have to do some good thinking. We need to go. And we are doing this beautifully, and we are making sure we do the flowers right. And I am doing some art, as you may know, and we want it to be beautiful, and we want it to also be very, very colorful. So we're going to color the circles in, and we need to do a lot of this, and we are thinking about what we would like to do in art. And I'm talking about school, no need to worry. Anyway, we need and we are doing lots of amazing things with colors, shapes, and we are also and I am swapping out some of the flowers for a new flower, but do not worry. It will be just fine. We are going to make we're going to make more flowers. And we need to do a lot of coloring here. We also need to get the color all very good. And we are drawing a picture, and here we are with our picture, as the black dots are bees, and we are also going to and there is our picture for today. And this is our picture. This recording is done. So I am going to add some final details. And there we go. We are going to send this to Grandma's, Paps, and Omi's. So we are going to, get it all right. Okay, there we go. Here's our recording for tonight.
Okay.